There's a very interesting energy in here. It's almost bizarre. Oh, no way.
Yeah, I was at this yoga class one time in Reno, and the instructor had us beat our hands on the floor to increase bone density. Changed my life. I've been doing it ever since.
Thank you for this opportunity to express a mere microcosm of the savage inner beastery that lies just beneath the surface of my earthly body. Yeah, someone I know went to this ayahuasca ceremony one time, and they said that all the inanimate objects came to life. So, like, I'm down to be friends or whatever. I've never had a fridge friend. I've had a freezer friend. He was too cold, though. Like, not temperature-wise, but his heart was just, like, cold. You know what I mean? You want to sprawl so I can't do that takedown. So let's try it. Tuck your hands. Tuck your hands. Otherwise, I could be... I'm not playing rough. I'm trying to teach you jujitsu. You trying to learn jujitsu or not? Okay, well, if you're just going to complain about me being rough, then... I don't know. Maybe you can find someone else to train jujitsu with, alright? Everything I do, it's too rough.